What is your plan for the weekend?
What is your plan for the weekend?
We need to plan our holiday.
We need to plan our holiday.
The plane flies in the sky.
The plane flies in the sky.
We go to Spain by plane.
We go to Spain by plane.
Water the plant every day.
Water the plant every day.
This is a green plant.
This is a green plant.
The children play with a ball.
The children play with a ball.
Can you play the guitar?
Can you play the guitar?
He is a good football player.
He is a good football player.
Each player needs a card.
Each player needs a card.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Please close the door quietly.
Please close the door quietly.
That is a very good point.
That is a very good point.
The pencil has a sharp point.
The pencil has a sharp point.
The police help people in the city.
The police help people in the city.
Call the police if you need help.
Call the police if you need help.
The policeman helps children cross the busy street.
The policeman helps children cross the busy street.
I asked the policeman for help with directions.
I asked the policeman for help with directions.
We swim in the pool after school.
We swim in the pool after school.
The pool is clean and blue today.
The pool is clean and blue today.
The poor man needed food and water.
The poor man needed food and water.
She is poor and lives in a small room.
She is poor and lives in a small room.
This singer is very popular in our town.
This singer is very popular in our town.
Soccer is popular at my school.
Soccer is popular at my school.
She is positive about the test today.
She is positive about the test today.
His words were positive and kind to me.
His words were positive and kind to me.
Is it possible to finish this work today?
Is it possible to finish this work today?
We did everything possible to help her.
We did everything possible to help her.
I will post the photo after dinner.
I will post the photo after dinner.
She wrote a post about her cat.
She wrote a post about her cat.
I ate a potato with butter at lunch.
I ate a potato with butter at lunch.
Please wash each potato before you cook it.
Please wash each potato before you cook it.
This apple costs 1 pound at the shop.
This apple costs 1 pound at the shop.
The box weighs a pound, not more.
The box weighs a pound, not more.
We have basketball practice after school today.
We have basketball practice after school today.
My piano practice lasts 1 hour.
My piano practice lasts 1 hour.
I practice English with my friend every day.
I practice English with my friend every day.
Please practice these words before the test.
Please practice these words before the test.
I prefer tea to coffee in the morning.
I prefer tea to coffee in the morning.
They prefer to walk, not take the bus.
They prefer to walk, not take the bus.
I will prepare dinner for my family.
I will prepare dinner for my family.
They prepare for the test together.
They prepare for the test together.
I got a present for my mother.
I got a present for my mother.
He is present in class today.
He is present in class today.
The garden looks pretty in the morning sun.
The garden looks pretty in the morning sun.
That dress is pretty and bright.
That dress is pretty and bright.
The price of this book is too high.
The price of this book is too high.
Can you tell me the price, please?
Can you tell me the price, please?
He will probably come after lunch.
He will probably come after lunch.
It will probably rain this afternoon.
It will probably rain this afternoon.
I have a problem with my computer.
I have a problem with my computer.
This math problem is very easy.
This math problem is very easy.
This product is new in the store.
This product is new in the store.
I read about the product on the box.
I read about the product on the box.
What program is on TV tonight?
What program is on TV tonight?
I like the morning news program.
I like the morning news program.
Our school project is about plants.
Our school project is about plants.
We finished the project on Friday.
We finished the project on Friday.
She wore a purple hat to school.
She wore a purple hat to school.
The flowers are purple and white.
The flowers are purple and white.
Please put the books on the table.
Please put the books on the table.
I put my keys in the bag.
I put my keys in the bag.
A quarter of the cake is left.
A quarter of the cake is left.
The show starts at 6:15.
The show starts at 6:15.
I have a question about the homework.
I have a question about the homework.
Please answer my question clearly and slowly.
Please answer my question clearly and slowly.
He is a quick runner at school.
He is a quick runner at school.
We need a quick answer now.
We need a quick answer now.
She finished her work quickly and smiled.
She finished her work quickly and smiled.
Please walk quickly. The bus is coming.
Please walk quickly. The bus is coming.
The library is quiet in the morning.
The library is quiet in the morning.
Please be quiet during the lesson.
Please be quiet during the lesson.
The room is quite cold today.
The room is quite cold today.
I am quite happy with my score.
I am quite happy with my score.
I listen to the radio every morning.
I listen to the radio every morning.
The radio is on in the kitchen.
The radio is on in the kitchen.
It may rain later this afternoon.
It may rain later this afternoon.
The rain was heavy last night.
The rain was heavy last night.
I like to read before bed.
I like to read before bed.
We read a short story in class.
We read a short story in class.
She is a fast reader for her age.
She is a fast reader for her age.
The reader enjoyed the story very much.
The reader enjoyed the story very much.
Reading helps you learn many new words.
Reading helps you learn many new words.
I do some reading every night.
I do some reading every night.
I am ready to leave now.
I am ready to leave now.
Dinner is ready on the table.
Dinner is ready on the table.
Is this photo real or fake?
Is this photo Real or fake?
I want a real answer from you.
I want a real answer from you.
I am really happy to see you.
I am really happy to see you.
She did really well on the test.
She did really well on the test.
What is the reason for this noise?
What is the reason for this noise?
I need a good reason to go.
I need a good reason to go.
The red ball rolled under the table.
The red ball rolled under the table.
Her dress is bright red and shiny.
Her dress is bright red and shiny.
Please relax and take a deep breath.
Please relax and take a deep breath.
I relax on the sofa after work.
I relax on the sofa after work.
I remember your name from class.
I remember your name from class.
Please remember to lock the door.
Please remember to lock the door.
Please repeat the question slowly now.
Please repeat the question slowly now.
He asked me to repeat my name.
He asked me to repeat my name. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.